Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can tell GitHub to not use your GitHub Copilot interaction data for AI model training. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you want to go to github.com. Then you're going to want to click on your profile picture up here. Then you're going to want to go to Copilot Settings. Once in GitHub Copilot Settings, you're going to want to scroll down until you get to the privacy section. Then you're going to find Allow GitHub to use my data for AI model training. You're going to want to click on the drop-down menu here and click on Disabled. Once you see a little green tick there, that means the setting has been changed. And now, GitHub won't be using your Copilot input, outputs, and associated context to train their AI models. That's all you need to do for now. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.